Hello dear students, welcome back to the NCERT Science class of 8th standard dear students. In the previous class we have started the study of fiber to fabrics. The further part of fiber to fabrics, that is synthetic fiber topic, the third topic of 8th standard we are studying, in which we have studied the meaning of fiber and types of fiber that we have studied. And here the fibers are mainly two types. The first one is natural fiber, second one is synthetic fiber. The natural fibers again is of two types, the animal fiber and plant fiber. First in 6th standard you have studied the plant fiber, in 7th standard you have studied about the animal fiber. In this year and in 8th standard you are going to learn about the synthetic fiber or the man-made fiber. Yes. Next here dear students, in case of man-made fibers, the different types of man-made fibers we are going to learn. The first one we have studied about the rayon, the characteristics of the rayon we have studied, and next uses of rayon in the previous class we have studied. Next dear students, we are going to study the next the synthetic fiber, that is nylon. Nylon, it is a synthetic fiber, completely synthetic fiber we can say. Rayon is a synthetic fiber which is prepared by using the wood pulp. That's why we can say that rayon is not a completely synthetic fiber, it is a partial synthetic fiber also we can say. How? See, the rayon is prepared with the help of wood pulp. Soft part of the wood they have used for the preparation of rayon. But here what happens? Nylon is a synthetic or the completely synthetic fiber we can say. That is prepared with the help of the petrochemical substance or the coal. Also we can say that coal or the chemical obtained from the coal, that is we have prepared with the help of this one. With the help of petrochemical substance or with the help of coal we have prepared the nylon in the industry. And next dear students, the property of nylon. Today we are going to learn the properties of nylon. Properties of nylon. The first one, dear students, the first one, it is prepared with the help of prepared in the different varieties at different in the lustrous for very shiny or to the dull. See what happens? The main other characters, see first character of the nylon in your NCERT textbook has given, that is the mainly nylon is prepared with in 1931. See, prepared in the different varieties at different differ in the luster. See, different lusters are the shiny surface. Luster means shine nature. Nylon cloths having the shine. Most of the time you may saw the track suits, the sportswear that is the shiny clothes, that is having the lusters. We can use the different lusters, or the people have wearing during the Kavali, singing of Kavali, that is luster shining clothes, that is which are prepared with the help of nylon. Next after this one, dear students, nylon is not affected by the moths. Second property, shiny, not affected by the moths, termites and insects. Yes, and microorganisms. It is not affected by the moths, insects or microorganisms. Microorganisms. Next dear students, it is very durable, more durable for more time, means we can use it for more time also. It means for more durable, we can use it for 1 year, 2 year, 3 year also. More durable. Yes. The next one, that is, it is elastic in nature. Elastic in nature. Elastic. The nylons are elastic, flexible. You must know that track shoes, shiny. Shiny means lustrous, more lustrous. The next, not affected by the any mouse and insects. The next after this one, it is molded to the different forms on heating. On heating, can mold to the different forms. Different forms. Next, it can withstand a large amount of stress, that is high tensile strength. High tensile strength. High tensile strength. Nylon is having high tensile strength. Next, lightweight. Lightweight. Then after this one, easy to wash. Easy to wash or not? Yes, yes. Easy to wash. Easy to wash. Next, dear students, nylon we can wash very easily. Next, it is wrinkle free. Wrinkle free. These are the properties of nylon. Nylon cloth or any materials, nylon materials. You might have saw. Once again I will tell you, the nylon cloths or nylon fabrics. See, they are very shiny. Shiny to the nature. Means surface, shiny surface. We can give any different shining also. More shining also we can produce in the nylon. Yes, it is a polymer. Next, not affected by the any microorganisms. See, any microorganisms or any moss or any termites or insects, that is not feedden. That will not feed the nylon. Yes. The next, dear students, the nylon is a more durable. We will use it for the long time also. More durable. Nylon cloth we can use it for the 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year also. It will not tear within short time. Yes. Next, flexible. Nylon is a flexible nylon cloth. The good example, that is tracksuits or the sports wear. Yes. The next, on heating, it will mold. The nylon, when we heat, it will mold on a temperature. When we heat the nylon, it will deform. Yes. Next, it is having high tensile strength. High tensile strength. It means a single wire of nylon can lift the weight of kg together. Kilograms together weight we can see. Narrow wire. A fishing wire or fishing net, we can see the fishing narrow wire of a nylon. With the help of this nylon wire, we can lift the kg together weights. Yes. Next, after this one, more high tensile strength that will not break to a high pressure. Then light very lightweight, isn't it? Nylon is very lightweight. And next, easy to wash. Nylon cloths are easy to wash. Then wrinkle free. It doesn't need the iron. It doesn't need any brushing at all. It means wrinkle free, soft, smooth. Also, yes, these are the characteristics of the nylon. Yes. The examiners see uses of nylon. Uses of nylon. Used in the textile industry for making the clothes, fabrics, shirts, jackets and all. It is used to manufacture the uses of nylon. See here, ropes, tents, fishing and parachutes. Next, it is also used in making the apparel like bridal wheel, that is costumes. Neck cloth, the costumes they are wearing during the maybe wearing that hairbands or above the hairbands. Yes. The next, dear students, it is useful for making the packaging material and all. So first of all, we will see the use of nylon. Use of nylon. Use of nylon. The first use, it is used in the making the many articles. Used in the making the ropes. Tents, and next the different the fishing nets. Yes, fishing nets also. Fishing nets. Yes. Next, dear students, it is also used for making the useful the packaging material. For making the packaging material also. Packaging material. Next after this one, the pipes, musical instruments. Also pipes, musical instruments. Then next, carpets, for making the carpets. The next, it is also used to make the screws and gears for making the gears, and all. The next, it is also used to make the bristles of brush and comb. Brushes and comb, toothbrush and all. Yes. Nylon is also used in making the parachutes, tents, parachutes also. For making the parachutes. Yes. Sleeping bag, belts, car seat belts. car seat belts, yes, etc. Curtains, bags, these are the uses of nylon. Once again I will tell you the uses of nylon. The nylon is using for making the jackets, tracksuits, yes, socks also. See, and also it is using for making. It is also using for making the ropes, tents, military tents, ropes, hill climbing ropes. The next fishing nets is also used for making the. Nylon is also making for these purposes. The next packaging material. Packaging material. See what I saw in the bottle caps. See in the inside the cap you will see a shiny surface that is made up by the nylon. That is helpful for the packaging, airtight package. The next pipes and musical instruments. The number of musical instruments also prepared with the help of nylon. The next for making the carpets. For making the carpets we are using the nylon. The next for making the screws and gears in the vehicle we are using the nylon. Next in the bristles of the toothbrush that is made up by the nylon. Honeycomb is also a good example of nylon. Next parachutes that is made up by the nylon. And next car seat belts, they are also made with the help of nylon. These are the properties and uses of nylon, isn't it? The next, dear students, another synthetic fiber, that is polyester. Poly means many. Poly means many, mer means units. Polymers, that is poly means many, mer means unit. Polymers. Here polyester. Ester means a chemical substance which is having a pleasant smell. Esters, by combining the polymers with the esters, combines to form polyester. Yes. Then different types of polyesters are there. PET polyester, polythene bag, plastic bags we are using, carry bags. That is a good example of polyester. The polythene, PET, that is polyethylene terephthalate, that is PET also we can say. Good example for the polyester. Yes. Next, dear students, the properties of polyester. Polyester, poly means many, ester means a chemical substance having the pleasant smell. Then first property, it is very strong fiber. Yes. The second one, their water holding capacity is very low, so they dry quickly. Less water holding capacity. that is wrinkle free, also we can say wrinkle free polyesters are the wrinkle free. Next, they are combustible at high temperature. Combustible means burn at high temperature. Polyester will burn at high temperature. Next, we can retain different colors. Can give different colors. Different colors, easy to wash, polyesters are easy to wash. The next, elastic in nature, yes, these are the characteristics of the polyester. Yes, see first one, strong fibers means high tensile strength that will not break. Lightweight also we can say here, lightweight can give any desired colors. Desired colors. Yes, we can give any desired colors. First one, strong, high tensile strength is a nylon, less water holding capacity. It will not, if we soak the polyester cloth in water, it will not hold much more amount of water. It means water holding capacity is less. Next, wrinkle free doesn't mean iron. Or next, combustible at high temperature. When we heat, it will melt. Means it starts to melt. At high temperature, it starts to melt. The next, can give different colors. We can give any different colors to the polyesters. Easy to wash. Yes, it will not consume more amount of dust and all. Then elastic in nature, stretchable. Then lightweight. Polyesters having the lightweight. Synthetic fiber it is. Can give any desirable colors or any colors. We can give any desired colors to the polyesters. Next, dear students, the use of polyesters. The polyester are using for the making the fabrics like clothes. For making the clothes, for shorts, jackets and all, pants and all. Yes. Next, they are used for making the furnishing and upholstering, like the bed sheets and all. For making the bed sheets, we can say, we can write for making the bed sheets. For making the bed sheets. Yes. Next, the polyester is used for making the sailor boats. See the balloon boats we are seeing. See, he is going to tell us sailboats. Also, we can say sailboats. For making the sailboats. Next, water hoses for the refrigerator are made from the polyesters. There are plastic bottles for making the bottles. The next, belts and safety belts also. Belts and safety belts. Safety belts. We are using the polyester for making the clothes, for making the garments. We are using the polyesters. Different types of polyesters are there. PET, then the terracotta and all, the mixture of cotton. When we mix with the polyester, we will make the terracotta, terry wool. Different types of polyesters are there. Then the uses are here, like see, for making the clothes, for making the bed sheets. The next, sailboats, and for making the bottles, belts and all. These are the uses of the different uses of polyesters. Yes. Next, dear students, the remaining we will study in the next class, that is about the acrylic and all. These are the most important in examination. You may ask for 3 marks. Write the properties and uses of nylon. Write the properties and uses of nylon. That time all these properties, nylon and polyester, you have to write